Hello, children. I see a beautiful picture here. It says, a book is a dream you hold in your hand. How true, isn't it? I am sure you all love reading. You all have some favorite stories, some favorite character that you want to cherish for a lifetime. Yes, आपको वो कहानी, वो character जिंदगी भर याद रहेंगे. All right, let us move ahead. Let us do something interesting in this Christmas vacation. Guess what are we going to do? We are going to read some beautiful stories, something that is not related to our studies. We are just going to read to enjoy and have some fun. Wow, isn't it interesting? Something that we have never done before, something that we never did during the virtual learning. Let us see what are we going to do. All right, let us understand why should we read. Yes, you all know that all the didis and bhaiyas keep telling you that you should read more. You should read a lot of books, you should read a lot of stories. But do you actually know why do we read? Why should we read? What are the benefits of reading? Okay, let me tell you few of them. It improves our reading fluency. Yes, when you read a lot of books and stories, your fluency in English increases. We learn a lot of new words. Yes, in every story or a book you read, there are many new words that you come across. Sometimes you check in the dictionary for the meaning. Sometimes you ask the Didi or your elders at home for the meanings of those words. Yes, then what happens? You have a list of new vocabularies that you can use and your comprehension skills improves. When you are reading some beautiful story, you want to tell it to someone, and through this you are able to build your comprehension skills. You become a confident reader. When you read frequently, when you read many stories, many books, you become a confident reader. You are no more scared to read. You are no more scared of reading English. Yes, and you wish to read more storybooks and stories. Yes, I wish all my students become confident readers and they love to read stories. What to do? Yes, this is where I'm going to explain you what are we going to do during the Christmas vacation. I'm going to send you 5 stories to read. You have to read all 5 stories during your vacation and finish reading all the stories before 4th of January. Yes, after reading all the stories, you can either do a video recording or a voice recording of your stories. This should include all 5 stories. If you're not able to include the complete 5 stories, you can record few lines or paragraphs of every story for your recording. Okay? And you know what? The best reader will be awarded. This is something interesting. I really want everybody to participate in this competition and improve your reading skills and enjoy reading. All right. How to read aloud? Reading aloud means reading loudly. Yes. So while you are recording, these are the things I want you to keep in mind. Also, while you are reading your stories for the first time or the second time, also, I want you to keep these things in mind. Go slow. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, sometimes some children just start off nicely, slowly, and they are in a hurry to finish the story. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, use expressions. I want you to pause wherever there is a comma, pause at a full stop. Wherever there is an exclamation mark, your tone should change. Yes, this is what I want you to do. Change your voice tone. If there are two characters, I want you to change your voice and speak. Let's do that. It will be really fun. Be confident while you're reading. You don't have to be scared. Nobody is judging you. Yes, you can. Didi will not tell you are right, you are wrong. I just want you to enjoy and have fun while you are reading. And most important, smile and enjoy reading the story. Yes, this is what I want you to do while you are reading all the stories. Okay. Didi told you to follow certain rules. But how do you do? Okay. I will send a recorded audio note of the story I read. Please listen to it and record a video of yours in the similar manner. Okay? I am sure you will have fun reading these stories and you will want to read more. A book is a dream you hold in your hands. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood everything that Didi has told and you all will participate in this competition. Let's hope that we all enjoy reading and become confident readers. Okay? Thank you, children.